Hey guys, welcome here back to Tactics for you again. Today we will unbox the upcoming Samsung Galaxy M51, so let's unbox it. Here you can see Galaxy M51 box, and here the transparent back cover with some paper material which is enclosed in white box. After you can see our phone here, 25 watts. Turbocharger adapter, now keep it aside, and here USB-C type cable, and finally our devices. Here, let's see all specifications. Back side of phone is really good. Here you can see triple camera setup as per display. Samsung Galaxy M51 smartphone has a IPS LCD display. It measures 162.6mm x 77.5mm x 8.5mm and weighs. The screen has a resolution of 1080 x 2340 pixels and 409 pixel density. On camera front, the buyers get a 16MP primary camera, and on the rear, there's an 64MP plus 8MP plus 5MP camera with features like digital zoom, auto flash, face detection, touch to focus. It is backed by a 4000 mAh battery. Connectivity features in the smartphone include Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, Volt, NFC and more. Samsung Galaxy M51 smartphone price in India is likely to be Rs 24,990, so these are the specifications of Samsung Galaxy M51. Let me know your opinion by comment below, and this is my new channel, so please support me to grow, so subscribe, share, comment. See you in next video. Have a great day.